Again, a good fall in the market, almost 137 points, and it shows no that there is big movement going on in the market. Lot of volatility is there in last few days, and believe me, no one is able to predict this market where it will go up or down. And lot of focus is there no on the FOMC meeting which is going to happen today. Of course, it is going on, but yes, decision you will come to know by tomorrow morning what is going to happen, and based on that no a good rally may happen up and down. But guys, one thing is for sure, that something is there in the market which is moving everything, and that is fii. If you see, in last few days is having lot bringing lot of volatility in the market. Yesterday it was almost no 6,000 crore rupees of selling they have done. Even when I talk about today, I am just checking it if it is already there. But yeah, so today also almost 1,300 crore rupees of selling already done. So a few days ago, we they were a net buyer of 15,700 crore rupees, and now you see in few days onwards only, no, after it is 3,700 buying, 3,700 crore buying. So FI again is in a selling mode, and that depends on what is going to come at the end in the FOMC meeting, and what Jern Powell is going to tell, that whether there will be a 0.25 basis cut or not. Of course, 98% chances are there that 0.25 basis cut will be there, but market will be seeing no what type of no commentary is there by Jern Powell, because what he may give a hawkish type of commentary like, दैट्स ऑल, बस हो गया, अब यहाँ से हम लोग और कट नहीं करेंगे, इकोनॉमी इज ओके ओनली, बट नो वी कैन नॉट कट मोर because otherwise the inflation may go up. So that may be that is an expectation coming from the market, from that okay के market ऐसा expect कर रहा है from Jaren Powell. But we have to see, and lot of movement will depend on what type of Fed policy will come. Now you may say why there is no local trigger or कुछ trigger दिख नहीं रहे, no domestic trigger and all that. Currently no. Yes, everyone is eyeing on no what will be the quarter 3 financial 24 results. Now the expectation there also is that no that this time Q3 result will not be so great. The reason, yesterday what the data came from Vahan no department, no like no the data related to motorcycles and all that, no okay, how much the sales was there. So there they are saying that almost a 19% downtick is there in that overall the motorcycle sales, and then two-wheeler sales, sorry, not motorcycle, two-wheeler sales. So basically two-wheeler sales is one of the barometer to show now how the economy is going currently, how is the rural demand, how is the urban demand. When you have a drop in the two-wheeler sales, that means that the money is not going to in the pocket of lower class or middle class, and that is why the demand of two-wheeler is there. See, whenever there is a good income at a rural area, two-wheeler is the first segment to give you a green shoot. And now analysts are very smart. Now they know that every month there is a data released, and through that data they come to know ना कि okay भाई कहाँ sales जा रही है automobiles and all that. Believe me, first date of every month now we get the automobile data, but that is the best barometer to understand how is the urban and the rural area income side. And if automobiles data comes good, that means money is flowing, money is being spent at this level. And unless at a lower middle class the money is not going to spend, you will not able to see a big demand coming in FMCG से लेके सब जगह. Okay, and the reason is that inflation is on a higher side till now. Of course the last data was at a lower level, but the whatever automobile data came yesterday is not giving a good sign. And that is why if you see the Hero Hondas and all that, no, you can see no they are actually no little bit now skeptical, and all these stocks has fallen a lot. Okay, Hero Motocorp fallen by almost 30% from the top, TVS Motor 16%, Ola Electric 38. Of course Ola is a different ball game only, but yes, lot many stocks has fallen a lot from the top. The reason is the demand is not there. Now this is what is puzzling the market a lot कि भाई demand वापस आएगी कि नहीं आएगी. Again here the FII is quite an unpredictable animal. कभी आते हैं कभी जाते हैं, सडनली बाय कर लेंगे 6-7 हज़ार करोड़ के बाइंग कर लेंगे और सेल भी कर लेंगे. सो वी कैन नॉट रिलाई ऑन FIIs. and the domestic institution are currently in a wait and watch mode, because they are also not taking a big steps. Now they are also not think, they are thinking that, boss, let the things get settled. And what currently, if you see the commentary coming from most of the market expert, everyone is saying, and even I feel that, if you see the quarter two, whatever, now today is almost 18 December, correct? तो अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ तक till now, already the not only 12 days, 13 days left to then the quarter will be over, that is quarter three of financial 25. Now till then, अभी तक तो ऐसी कोई डिमांड आई नहीं है, and how we can expect the quarter three will be a good results? And why the market fallen by from 26,300 to 23,300, 3,000 point? Because the demand was not good at a, not demand, sorry, the result was not good for the quarter two financial 24, and that is what has fallen. Now if the expectation is that even this demand, even the this result of quarter three may not be good, then you may see a subdue market for the next quarter also. So there are lot many things going on, but now what may trigger up the market, the only thing may trigger up that what is the FOMC is going to say, how the interest rate cut is going to happen, और वो रेट कट का इम्पैक्ट कैसे आने वाला है across the economies, what type of policy they are going to say, like hawkish or what type of, तो उससे बहुत कुछ डिपेंडेंट होगा. Plus today what happened, that Trump has given a comment that he is going to, no, like he's saying that okay, Brazil and India, no, they are putting more taxes on the import what they are taking from USA. Earlier, if you remember, when he was there as a president last time, he told about Harley Davidson, okay, you are putting lot of no taxes and all that. And so that is what is currently, no, actually, no, is buzzing, that what Trump is saying, that it will be tit for tat. अगर आप टैक्स ज्यादा लगाओगे तो हम भी टैक्स लगाएंगे आपके प्रोडक्ट्स जो यहाँ आएंगे, and that may impact our export. Okay, and this is what, and Trump तो जो दिमाग में आता है वो बोल देते हैं. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज मार्केट फियरिंग, दैट ओके, चाइना के साथ तो प्रॉब्लम है उनका, चाइना पे टैक्स लगाएंगे क्या, वो इंडिया पे भी टैक्स लगाएंगे क्या, वो ब्राजील में, अब ब्राजील का तो हमें चलो कोई लेना देना नहीं है, but yes, whether they are going to put taxes more on India also. And that is also actually, some of the jitters are coming in the market because of that also. Because if it happens now, that will be a very very big negative from Indian perspective, because this is not the thing, we, this is the last thing to want, because we were getting happier कि हाँ भाई चलो चाइना पे ज्यादा टैक्स लगाएंगे तो अपने लिए तो अच्छा है. But yes, keep this in mind. Again, this December month is quite IPO frenzy, guys. No, December month there are so many IPOs, almost 26,000, or sorry, 24,950 crore rupees of IPO, which is the highest in any month in last 17 years. ओके, 17 साल में पहली बार एक मंथ में इतने आईपीओ आ रहे हैं, और इतना, और ओवर सब्सक्राइब भी हो रहे हैं और अच्छे भी चल रहे हैं. सो प्राइमरी मार्केट इज बसिंग, एंड दिस इज वेयर नो रिटेल इन्वेस्टर इज शिफ्टिंग मनी फ्रॉम मार्केट टू आईपीओ, के भाई आईपीओ में बड़ा लॉट लगाते हैं, लग गया तो लॉटरी अपनी, ऐसे भी मार्केट तो उतना चल नहीं रहा है. सो यस, बट दिस आईपीओ इज डूइंग क्वाइट वेल currently, and of course this market is buzzing currently. Okay, so this global tension and all that will go on, and currently there is no as such trigger coming. And because of this global tension only, you see rupees touching at $85 per, okay, now 85 against the USD is quite high. And the reason is, एक तो जो ट्रम्प का बयान आया, of course the trade deficit is getting higher and higher. The reason is, no, their import bills is on a higher side. That is negative for the economy, that is negative for India also. अभी ऑयल होपफुली और नीचे जाएगा तो अपने लिए बेटर होगा, बट टिल देन, नो, basically losing INR is not good for the economy. So these are the points you have to keep in mind. But yes, देखना पड़ेगा किस तरह से मूवमेंट है. नाउ बिकॉज द मार्केट हैज फॉलन अलॉट, लेट्स होप कि कल कुछ अच्छा हो जाए. आई एम जस्ट सीइंग द गिफ्ट निफ्टी व्हाट इज देयर करंटली, but no, hopefully some good news comes from the US level, then we may see a good recovery also. Okay, now let us talk about some of the stock specific. Abhi to positive dikh raha hai, even the Dow Jones and all that. Till the time I am making this video, it is looking positive. We have to see that. Now talking about the stock specific, guys, lot many stocks they are having a good movement. Of course, yesterday we spoken about Zomato, Swiggy and all that. But now everyone is talking about now what to do with this renewable stocks. Okay, renewable stocks ke काफी question hai. See, the problem with the renewable stock is that there is a sentiment negative currently going on. Trump is against the renewable sector, and that is why you see most of the renewable stocks like Vari Renewables or Suzlon or no, so many are there. Correct. Even energies, Vari Energy से लेके premium energy से लेके सब नीचे है, because US is not positive, and we are doing a quite a good export. At least Wari is doing lot of export, and that is what is impacting the demand, and that may impact the profitability also. Plus क्या होता है कि एक cycle आती है जहाँ एक suddenly एक bull run आता है. After that, there is always a consolidation level, and that is what is happening with all these renewable stocks. So if you have this all these renewable stock, either you have to keep lot of patience, guys. ऐसे नहीं हो कि रातों रात ये सब stocks भागने वाले हैं. And no, you have to keep an eye on the what type of profitability and sales they're going, because अगर वहाँ सेल्स नहीं आती है, वहाँ प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी नहीं आएगी, तो ये वैल्यूएशन सस्टेनेबल नहीं है. And same thing is happening for our no basically railways and defense. कि रेलवेज में भी क्या हुआ है, बहुत एक तरह का मोनोपोली है. नो, दे आर गोइंग टू गेट बिग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, बट बिकॉज the 5p stock has gone to 30p 40p now, but the sales and profit is going at a very 2% 3% higher every time, just because it was so much cheaply available at 5p and all that. Now it is already gone up, so you have to be careful that whether the sales and profitability coming in line or not. Correct. अगर वो नहीं आती है, then again you will be trapped and you will be there at a range for a longer period. So that's why I know at what valuation you are getting is very important. Even for the defense, also the same thing. But defense, if you see Mezagon, BEL, HL, no, they have recovered very good, because they, of course, of the strong fundamentals, and no, they have a great order book from here also. But because so if the stock is good, like Mezagon is almost 5-6% down from the top, BL also 8 to 9%. Correct. So what it shows that if you have a strong stock, if you have a strong fundamental in place, cycle may come and go, but you don't have to worry about it. And that's why in this market scenario, currently वो time चला गया कि लोग एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी मल्टीपल्स देते हैं आपको. ओके, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी प्रीमियम मार्केट यूज टू गिव यू बिकॉज यू आर परफॉर्मिंग वेल. नाउ दैट फेज इज ओवर. नाउ द मार्केट विल रिवॉर्ड ओनली एंड ओनली विच विल ब्रिंग द अर्निंग. यानी पैसे दिखाओ तो ये आपको लोग खरीदेंगे. ओके, पैसे दिखाओ यानी प्रॉफिट दिखाओ तो आपको खरीदेंगे. और वही अभी चीज चल रहा है. नो, मार्केट इज नॉट taking any type of stories or promises and all that. Like one of the best example of stories and no all that we speak about is IDFC First Bank. No, बड़े बड़े ख्वाब दिखाते हैं, बड़े बड़े बातें होती है, but it is not delivering the results, and then you see how it is falling. Even if you remember the same, we are talking about the Bajaj Auto. Now Bajaj Auto, nothing wrong in that. बजाज ऑटो आपको पता है कि 10,000 चला गया था, 12,000 चला गया था. नाउ इट इज ऑलमोस्ट डाउन बाय ऑलमोस्ट 30% from the top. But they, what Rajiv Bajaj told them, that my stock price should be at 20,000 level. करेक्ट. तो देखो यार, ये बोलने के लिए होता है, लेकिन उस तरह का परफॉर्मेंस भी आना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स बजाज इज नाउ डूइंग वेल इन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल एंड ऑल दैट, but yes, no, you have to show the result. Now this is the market, no, where market wants to see result, not the stories, not the promises. And no, at this level also, when market is fallen so much, you will be tempted, no, to buy the stocks and everything. Buy only the stocks, no, which is at a comfortable, where the growth is actually available for the future. Some of the other sector, no, which is doing well, like now started doing well, and you should think about seeing that, like banking, even the NBFC and all that, no, बहुत काफी गिर गए, and now I think things are in a much better situation than earlier. Of course, NPS and all that, that MFI lending and all that microfinance lending is hurting currently for many of the small banks, but at one level it will cool down. At one level they must have provided all the provisions to this, whatever MFI lending and all that we are talking about. So that is the point you have to keep in, and accordingly you can take a decision. Again, whatever I tell you guys, this is not at all a recommendation, this is just a suggestion how to look towards the market. Do your own research before investing, guys. I'm a sebi registered research analyst, guys. We do give recommendation to our clients. We have a research team completely, and we give research report also. If you want to see our sizes, link is given below, you can click it and check in our website what type of size we are providing. And by the way, without fail, do share and like this video. If you have any question, put it in the chat box, I'll try to take it next time for sure. So overall, guys, I think the market is a place where now currently it's dicey where to go, but hopefully more clarity will come at the evening, and no, by the next tomorrow, and no, accordingly market will react. Don't try to be taking extra leverage here, don't try to take extra risk here, because itne volatility mein, believe me, it is very difficult to crack. So this is the point you have to keep in mind before you start investing. Okay, see, मार्केट में पैसा कमाना इंपॉर्टेंट है, थोड़ा लेट कमाएंगे चलेगा, लेकिन घुमाना नहीं है। ये चीज हमेशा आपको ध्यान में रखनी है। ओके, चलेगा। सो होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। इफ यू लाइक इट, डू एज आई टोल्ड यू, डू लाइक इट and share it to everyone. And do, if you want, guys, today we have a session on no 20 basically 3 secrets 21 gold loans. The link is given below, you can attend that at 8 p.m also. Thank you very much, guys, and I see you soon tomorrow. Bye bye.